Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so massive volatility. We talked about the limit down in the last webcast, and I mean, effectively how, I will tell you because I didn't do a video yesterday. I will catch you up on where we are. So it goes limit down overnight. It stalled out. It did pretty much what I said it was going to do when it opened. It opened up. It instantly goes to the -7. It halts again. At that point, from my perspective, doing what I need to do with the variety of people that I need to do and the variety of experience levels, the variety of platforms and everything, we sat out the first 30 minutes of the day. We watched the trade. We talked about it, but there were way too many platforms and brokers out there that were not giving reliable prices. And if you don't know what price is, or if the spreads are so wide you can't trade it, you have to be responsible and you have to sit it out. So we didn't get involved until about 10:15 or so, 10 or 10:15, and then we came in and did not even a ton of trades through the course of the day. We shorted 28.14 at one point, shorted 28.10. Those were nice. It ended up being like a 76 handle day. But going into a day that's that volatile, your focus has to be, I'm not going to get blown up today. I'm not going to fight price. I'm not going to just throw a market order out there that could get filled 12, 14, 15 handles away from where you push the button. Yesterday I thought was a little more tradable. We had a short down from 28.31 into the big move, into the 100 handle move, which is great. A couple big ones after that. Yesterday was actually a better day for us than the 9th. So all told for the week, we're sitting just under a couple hundred handles for the room. And last night was another. Last night and yesterday were dramatically more tradable than Monday, which is why you're going limit down, limit up, all this stuff. And you know what? I was in a meeting at the 26.95 low. I was in a meeting and we didn't long that until 2800. So that big move, I was out of pocket. And as a trader, sometimes you're going to be out of pocket. You're going to be out of pocket. I was in a Little League meeting. I'm the president of the local Little League. That's what I do. And on that night, we had a board meeting, and life happens. So there's a lot to be said for not staring at every blip on these things, and you can still do what you need to do. Isn't that why we're traders? To have that kind of flexibility, right? So, as far as today goes, it's heavy. I think there's a bounce due. They took it up to 28.35, 28.40, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. But 28.15 was one of our markers last night, along with 28.30, 28.35, and that has tended to hold up pretty well. So we're sitting, right around 40 for the day. I want to see how we open. I want to see what the roundy wants to do. I'm flat right now. My plan is to be flat into 9:30. You've got volume weighted average price at 28.10, hourly mid-band 28.12, our proprietary moving average 28.06, and daily pivot around 28.18. They keep spiking it up to 2800, 2805, and they keep rejecting those spikes. So I want to see if that continues. Okay? Look, the news flow is going to be heavy. It's going to stay heavy. The financial impact of everything that's going around the world is going to keep this tape heavy, but you're going to get bear market rallies. What I've always told you guys about bear market rallies is you can be long them, you can stand aside, but you cannot fight them short. Okay? They will run farther and faster than you think. Talk to the people that sold like 27.05 2 nights ago, and tell you what they think about a bear market rally. So look, the focus is still on risk management. Use your whatever your disaster stop out there is in the world. Use it. Ours is 5. It always will be. Nothing is going to happen to us in here worse than a -5. And in this kind of volatility, that's not much. So focus on risk. Make sure that whatever you're using is reliable, and if it's not, you have to take a step back, wait for the volatility to calm down, and make sure you can rely on your technology. It's critical. All right. Take care, everybody. Trade them well. Come check out the room. We've got a whole batch of trials. They're all converting to regular subscribers. They like what they think. The feedback's been great. I would love to meet you and have you join them because it really is a solid place to be all the time, but really solid right now. All right. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.